Do you wish you could wake up every morning without the stress of rushing to work, knowing you can spend your day with your kids while still making a steady income from home? Hey, I'm Shirley. I'm your average busy boy mom and wife in Colorado, and I found a legit way to make money online through digital marketing. This has allowed me to earn thousands of dollars a month. I was even able to quit my 9-to-5 and become a stay-at-home mom. And now me and my husband are no longer even worried about our finances. And I now teach other moms just like you and I, how to do the same through a proven beginner-friendly step-by-step blueprint. And guys, it's day 6 of my 30K in 90 Day Success Sprint, and I'm sharing my journey with you guys for the next 90 days. So if you are looking to make money online and make extra money from home, I want you to hit the follow button, and so that you can be able to follow me on this journey. So today, guys, during my mentor call, my biggest takeaway was knowing who can relate to me and how can I serve and help you. So let me know if you can relate to feeling overwhelmed by the daily grind and wishing for more time with your kids. Or do you want to find a way to make money from home without sacrificing family moments? You found me for a reason, because I have been in your shoes and I want to truly help you achieve the same freedom and financial stability that I have found. So let's connect and see if this journey can be the solution you've been searching for. Drop me in the comments if you're ready to take the first step towards a better future, and I will love to send you more info. I am here to answer any questions that you guys may have. I'm looking forward to connecting with you.